Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to create a barcode in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Here's a clear step-by-step guide to creating a barcode directly inside Microsoft Word using the built-in display barcode field. Open Microsoft Word, start a new or existing document where you want the barcode. Place the cursor. Click where you want the barcode to appear. Insert a field, press Ctrl plus F9, Windows, or Command plus F9, Mac, to insert a field. You'll see curly braces appear. Important: you cannot type these braces manually. They must be inserted with the shortcut. Enter the barcode command. Inside the braces, type the following: 123,456,789, the text, number, or data you want encoded. Code 128 specifies the barcode type. You can also use other types like UPC, EAN13, etc. Update the field. Right-click inside the field and choose Update Field, or press F9. Word will generate a barcode representing your data. Extra option: you can customize the barcode. \T text label shows the encoded text below the barcode. Example. That's it. You now have a barcode in your Word document that can be scanned or used for inventory, product labels, or any data encoding purpose. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.